So we've just left the Clayton Hotel and today we're off to the Glasgow Transport Museum. So after a very windy walk, that's us arrived at the Transport Museum. Join us inside and let's see what it's all about. And for anyone that's never been here before, this is my favourite part. We'll take you along and show you. But this is a little insight into what old school Glasgow used to look like. Follow us. Feel like you've been transported back in time. See the tram tracks on the floor there. And inside all the shop windows.
You can also go in all of the shops too.
Can even hear bird noises. Really authentic here. As we just mentioned, you can actually come inside some of the shops. This one, as you can see, is a shoe shop. If we've got any fans of retro motorbikes, there's hundreds to see here. Take a look. I don't know if I mentioned, but this place is actually free to get into, but it's always recommended that you put some money in the box at the front. Just a small donation helps keep the place running. If we've got any fans of old school fair rides, then this will definitely interest you. Paint jobs on them are gorgeous. And just next to that, got a massive steam engine. Really, really cool. A little bit suggestive, but you certainly don't see things like this anymore. We've even got some model railway stuff here for anyone that's into that. There's loads to see all around this room. Some cool trains there. We've got boats. Sorry if the lighting's a little bit off. Another big sailboat there. Meccano. Does anyone remember Meccano? Don't know if kids these days still play with that. I know I certainly had some when I was younger. And there's even some retro board games. Even I'm a little bit young for some of these though. Here we've even got some modern transport for you guys. Skateboards.
That I didn't really get into. I would just.
And just below here you've got some really old
If you fall off and hurt yourself,
original
that's just
skateboards.
a big part of it too. You know, it's like you stop again and go again. It was just such a big part of my life. My first skateboard was pretty much a mission job.
Right outside the Transport Museum we've got this absolutely cracking boat. It goes by the name the Tall Ship. It is an independent museum and right now it's closed for refurbishment, but if you are here, it's just outside the Transport Museum. Make sure you come by and check it out because it's definitely worth having a look. So that's done for the day. I hope you guys have enjoyed what you've seen inside. There's loads more to see than what we've shown, but we've got our coffees for the walk back along the Clyde. Remember, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.